You might be hanging out with your friends and you want to listen to some of their Spotify music, so you click listening to Spotify. Oh, I love this song, it's so good. So I click listen along with no text to speech, and I have to be a Spotify premium member for this garbage? What the? I'm just trying to listen to the same song. Well, fortunately, the big brains at Better Discord have a plugin that will fix that. So go to the first link in the description and you will be downloading Better Discord. Now, Better Discord is against Discord's terms of service, aka you can get banned for using it, so use it at your own risk. Chances are you should be fine if you use this, but once again, I'm not responsible if your account gets banned. Just don't be dumb. Click the download button, and it will download the installer, and while it's downloading the installer, go to the second link in the description and click download on this Spotify Listen Along. When you click download on it, it might say, whoa, this is a JavaScript file, and it'll blow up your computer. If that's the case, just click keep, then click on the installer to open it up, and you should see a license agreement. I've read this 0 times, and I click I accept the license agreement, and click next, then click next again, and now you want to select the Discord version that you have. Basically, if you can click on it, then click install. If you can't click on anything, then you might have to reinstall Discord. But once you actually install Better Discord, it should restart your Discord, and it'll pop up with a Better Discord menu or literally anything. The best way to check if you actually have Better Discord is to go into your settings, and you should see this Better Discord section here. If you do see that section, click on Plugins, then click Open Plugins folder, and it'll open up behind Discord, so you need to minimize Discord, and there you go, now you have your Plugins folder. Then, once your Plugins folder is open, you need to right-click on Downloads and click Open a New Window, and all you need to do is drag SpotifyListenAlong.Plugin into that folder, and when you do that, you can close both of these windows, and you can close the installer and get everything out of the way. Click Quit, it's completely fine, because it's already installed. And now, if you go back into Discord, it'll say Library Plugin is needed, just click Download. And when you do that, click on the X, and you need to enable the plugin library, then you need to enable Spotify Listen Along, then, for good measure, press Ctrl and R to restart Discord. So now you should be able to listen to someone's music on Spotify. So I'm going to click on No Text to Speech, I'm going to click Listen Along, and boom. Now I'm listening to their song. Literally, it's that easy, and it works. Now if I go on my normal computer and change the song to something else, oh, I just changed the song, and it just changed the song too. Now, mind you, when you do listen along to someone's music and you decide to go off on your own track to maybe listen to this song here, quite the song name, by the way, then you're not going to be able to use Spotify as a premium user. This is literally just meant for listening along to someone on Spotify. And that wraps up the installation portion of the video. If it worked, like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel even further, just turn off your ad blocker when you watch my videos. And if for some odd reason it didn't work out for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or join my Discord and put your issue in the help channel, and I will help you out as soon as I can. Now let's get on to the uninstall portion of the video. So let's say you're done with Better Discord or you don't want this plugin anymore. All you need to do is go into your downloads folder, then double click on the installer and it'll open up, read the license agreement, psych, click next, click uninstall Better Discord, click next, then click on the Discord version you installed it to, then click on install, and it should restart Discord, uninstall Better Discord, and you're able to verify that by going into your user settings on Discord, and it should not have the Better Discord section. As you can see, no Better Discord. No Better Discord equals no Better Discord, aka you're safe. Anyways, I'm going to be listening to So Long Tales remix from On Planets and Tales because, I mean, it's a good song, you know, and I'm a little EDM person, but this one's pretty good, son. Anyways, I'm going to stop geeking out about my music. I love you. Mwah!